Good afternoon, friends. Although this is our first meeting, I'm delighted to see all of you. I'm Kola from SKYMARD Construction National Company. Our company has 15 years history in the field of construction machinery, giving us extensive experience in the industry. We are excited to introduce you to this car. Let's take a closer look at these impressive machines. This is a powerful and efficient concrete pump track designed for heavy-duty construction projects. It weighs approximately 37 tons and is equipped with a 419 horsepower engine, ensuring exceptional performance. The truck boasts a maximum pumping capacity of 200 cubic meters per hour on the standard pursuit and can reach up to 137 cubic meters per hour at maximum pursuit. In terms of size, the truck measures 12,716 meters in length, 2,515 millimeters in length, and 4,000 millimeters in height, with a vertical reach of 48.6 meters and a horizontal reach of 43.6 meters. This truck is built for reliability and performance on the job site. Are you interested? If you would like to learn more about this incredible concrete pump truck or have any inquiries, please feel free to contact us. We welcome your consultation and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.